Hello my dear students, in this video I'm going to explain about MySQL's alter command. So let us see what is the use of alter command. This command is used to make any modification to the main table structure. So you can add, delete or modify the columns, such as you can change its data type, you can change the name of the column. So all these kind of changes you can make to an existing table. Also we can add or drop constants on an existing table. Now let us learn what is the syntax to do all this. In order to add a column, the syntax that we should follow is alter table followed by the table name, then add. After that, we must write the name of the new column which we are going to add, and finally we have to add its data type and terminate it using our semicolon. Now let us try doing this. As you can see, this is the table structure of the table student underscore details. Okay, so this is the table on which I'm going to add a column. So like we saw the syntax, let us work on it. So I need to write alter table followed by the name of the table and then add column. Now I have to write the name of the column which I'm going to add is class and followed by its data type. Now semicolon and press enter. It's done. Now let us again check the description for this table. See, class int which is added. So that's how we add the column. Now let us try to change the data type. So what is the format for that? It's alter table, then the table name, then we have to write modify, then the column name for which we are going to change its data type, and finally we need to write the data type. So let's try this. Now let's say the column that I just added is class. I'm going to write alter table student underscore details, modify column class. Now I need to write the new data type which is varchar. That's it. Press semicolon and enter. See, it's done. Now let us try to check the description for this table. So now you can see that the data type for the column class has been changed. Now we will try to change the column name for any particular table. So the syntax that we will follow is alter table name, then we need to write change, after that the old column name and give a space and write the new column name, then the new data type. Okay, so that's how we can change the column name as well as the data type. So I'm going to write alter table student underscore details change. Now I need to write the old column name. Now let us write class and the new name which I'm going to now let us and make it standard, and now the new data type could be int again. See, it works. Now let us again check the description. See, it became standard and the data type is now int. So please make the difference, try to understand the difference between these two. Like this is one command using which we change only the data type, hence modify column class varchar, and this one is used to change the column name as well as the data type. Now the last one that I'm going to show is how to drop a column. Dropping a column means how to remove a column. So for that we need to write alter table followed by the name of the table, then drop column followed by the column name. Now let us try to execute this. So I'm going to write alter table student underscore details drop column standard. So I'll just drop the column that I added. So it's done. Let's check it out. See, The column standard does not exist anymore. So that's how we perform these alter commands on a table. So remember the syntax and follow the steps, then you can perform it very easily.